So this is a Trix HO scale model of the East German Class 254, which I think they called Iron Pigs, Eisenstein. They were also nicknamed German crocodiles because of their articulated nature. The East Germans, particularly towards the end of their lives, these locos had the chassis painted red, and red was great for highlighting frame cracks. So as the wear built up on these chassis, it was handy to know when things were starting to go wrong. Hence the colour scheme. It's a beautiful heavy die-cast metal body and chassis. They have NEM coupler pockets with the swallowtail fitment, so you can change the couplings from these hoop couplings they supply. It has a very nice mechanism, centrally mounted motor driving all axles. And you can see the LED lights there as well as we turn it around. Cabin light there. And the cabin light on this end. You've got sounds on function 2, so you need a digital system that supports 2 staying continuously on. A couple of them out there don't, I don't know why. There's 28 functions, so you'll have all the standard operating sounds. So plenty to get you occupied with. And shut down there.